We expect there's going to be a rush of complaints initially. That's bound to be the case. But I think in determining our priorities of investigation, we have to and we must treat those cases where there is a relatively larger number of people affected, whose interest has been jeopardized substantially, cases where we feel that there is a tendency of repeated offense, or we reckon that this particular offense represents an undesirable trend of trade practices, which is likely to proliferate. And so first of all, in according our resources to investigate, those will be leading priorities. In terms of the actual investigation, it is no different from any other form of criminal investigation. The initial receipt of the complaints will be pro forma. There will be a way of either complaint in person, complaint through hotline, email, or in a written form. But after that, there will be a process of evidence collection. Includes things that might involve actual field inspections, research, and more importantly, the complainant, him or herself, will have to come up to customs to provide evidence. And this evidence has bearing on the subsequent prosecution, and if anybody who attempt to provide false information in the evidence-taking process will him or herself liable to prosecution. We will subsequently also have to obtain evidence similarly from either the trader or the trader staff. And after gathering all this evidence, of course, the issue will be put to the Department of Justice for approval of the proposed enforcement actions, which may take a form of warning, or it may take, as you would see, the civil-based compliance mechanism or criminal prosecution.